finally. Oh my god. Weekly test. Oh my god, they're so late.
Was a test of the weather radio station.
Oh no. Oh, this one's unrecognized. Hey, at least it still went off. Yes, they finally tested.
Every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed.
You know what? I think they were waiting on the storm in Baytown to clear up.
Even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
Yes.
To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be...
Sucks that this one wasn't going to do anything. Hey, also, I can pull it up. Oh, yes, I can.
This is a test of the new weather radio's warning device.
Okay, I want to see if the data had work. That'll be funny.
The forecast
Okay,
for
that's
Houston and the surrounding areas.
Yes. They finally they tested. It caught me off guard, holy crap.